So they lied and said I was drinking. But guess what? I was drinking, but not what they lied and said I was drinking. I wasn't getting drunk, but it probably looked like I was because the bottle. This is kombucha though. You know what kombucha is? It's a probiotic, extremely healthy drink. Yeah, so I had a friend that actually would make this from scratch. You have to like do a specific process. I think it takes like 6 to 8 weeks or whatever to create the mother, this blob that actually creates the fermentation that prepares the um, probiotics for the kombucha. So it is a black tea that is fermented and it's actually packed with powerful. Let's see which one this thing has. Oh shoot, I can't read that. That's too small. Okay. Anyways, it says living probiotics. I don't see where it says the exact ones that it has in this one, but usually they have quite a few. Detoxifying aids, cold pressed juices, and natural antioxidants. So I was drinking all right. Some kombucha.